Hey everyone, I'm back with another doll to fix up. And as you can see, she is in need of help. It's a Disney I Love You Forever doll. Feel like this was overpriced for her condition because they're what, 30, 35 new? The outfit, and I mean, the body's gonna need some serious washing and drying. I think if I don't want any water stains, I need to use the hair dryer to dry her up. Her hair doesn't look terrible. It's just really curly in a ponytail. I think that will come out okay. Otherwise, I think the magic eraser will get a lot. Maybe I'm just cheap when it comes to dolls. I think it's that. Really. I am not going to resell her. I'm going to fix her up for my little sister. So I will start with my magic eraser, which, by the way, I think is the Walmart version. You don't need to have the brand name. And I'll scrub down her skin. Remember, never to go on the face paint very hard. Lightly on the face paint because the eraser has the chance of taking it off. It tends to take off eyebrows and lips. And if she had sleep eyes, the eyelid color. It might even take off what are these? Her eyelashes, yes. So that's my first plan of attack. And after I do her skin, I don't know if I want to do the body or the hair. Probably the hair. Because the hair is wet and then it might leave a water stain here and I have to do it again. I don't know. Or maybe I'll do the body. I'll do a nice wash. I don't want to take her apart because I don't know what they're strung like inside. If they're like American Girls with the elastic crimson cups, if there's something else. And I really hate redoing the zip tie. It's annoying. So at least her limbs are tight, right? They're not drooping. If they were really drooping, then I'd finally go in and look. So skin first, then maybe body or maybe hair. Not sure. I'll come back when her skin is better. What is that? Is it makeup? Is it paint? I don't know. I don't know. Should I use gloves doing this one? I usually don't wear gloves because I don't have gloves that fit, so they annoy me. Maybe I should get gloves that fit, huh? Just for her. Okay, I'll be back. I cleaned her up with the magic eraser. I got most everything off. There's a few little marks and some things that dried, so I'll have to go again with another eraser because the one I used, well, it's at the end of its life. So I'll use that one over there. I think I will spray her with my stain remover. I get this at Ocean State Job Lot. I'm not sure where else you could buy it. I've never researched. You can blot it out or you could wash it out. I'll just spray her all over because I don't know what's on her. And let it sit, and then while that's sitting, I could start her hair. This gets so much stuff out. And if anything, it gives me a peace of mind that I tried, even if it didn't get anything out. I'll go do her hair, wash out her body, probably take a hair dryer to the body so I don't get any lines. Water lines, but we shall see what happens. This is a new one for me, washing the body without taking it apart. I'd like to let you know that the stains on the back of her already transferred onto my washcloth from that remover. I'm telling you, that stuff is magic. I wonder if the front ones will also transfer. So I will definitely have to clean the remover. Oh yeah, I think it did. Looks like more. Perfect. She no longer is going to be all red. Marked up. Now, for the washing of the body. I think I'll wash the body first and then the hair. Yeah. I have washed her body. She is soaking wet. I still see an outline here. I don't feel like going back to do anything. I got the bottom stuff out, and then the red marks did come off onto the washcloth. And I got most of them out from the washcloth. So let's see how she comes out. I'm going to try drying her with the hair dryer. You probably just saw footage of me drying her, but this spot here was bugging me. It was not drying like the rest of the body, so I went and re-washed the front. And now I will use the hairdryer again. Not sure why she's coming up red on the camera. Weird. Okay, back to the hairdryer. I dried her up with the hairdryer. Don't know what this is on the front. It was not coming out, I guess. I did try to rewash it. I think it's some type of stain. It wasn't that prominent. Was it? I don't remember now. I have to look at my pictures. But she is dry. If not, if anything, I could try washing her again. So at least I don't have to worry about water lines. Now the next step will be to do her hair. See, everything came out. Even that weird thing on her butt. Maybe it needs more time with the spray. An aggressive scrub or even some Dawn soap. So I was trying to wash it with the hand soap in my bathroom. That's probably the reason. Okay. I don't know what I'll do next. Body or hair. One of them. You'll see. Here I am next day, and these stains still persist. Don't know if they're oil-based or something. So I'm going to try this guy. This I could leave on for about a week, too. So if I wanted to do the hair while this is setting. If anything, I could scrub at it a little with a toothbrush. I'm not sure if baking soda will help, so I don't want to break up the nylon body. I'm just going to let this go in there. Hopefully, this gets whatever that is out. Not sure why it didn't come out before, but I'm glad the other ones did. Alright, I'll let this sit. Then probably rinse it and come back before I do the hair. I want to save the hair for last. This is the funner part. This is the OxiClean after leaving it on all day. I probably put it on at like 7 a.m. and it is now 6. I still sort of see the stain, hoping it washes out. Let's go find out. She's been rinsed. And now I fear I have a mark from the OxiClean. I don't know. I'm going to dry her and see what happens. You can definitely see the outline, right? I don't see the dark outline anymore, so that's good. Usually OxiClean comes right out, so if there is a mark, maybe I need to wash her more. Alright, let's dry her. So I learned what not to do. I guess no OxiClean. I didn't realize the OxiClean could discolor some colored garments. So what you see, yeah, that is how she is. Not only is this not any different, there's now a whole line from where the OxiClean sat. I haven't had that happen on my clothes. That's why I'm surprised. I'm not selling her. I don't really want to continue trying to clean it. So I think I'll move on to her hair now. Yay! Hair time! I just shampooed her hair. Now it's sitting in conditioner. After I rinse this out, I will get to detangling. I still haven't decided what I want to do on the body. Just because I really want her finished and I really want to do the hair. Maybe I'll do the body again after I do the hair. Never know. Alright, I'll see you when she's all detangled. I finished her hair. Look how beautiful it is. It curled up so nice. It wasn't very hard to detangle. There was a few little snags. Look how much came out. Honestly, not as much as I thought for what it looked like in the beginning. Though some of her hair did come right out of the plugs, so she has empty plugs around her head now. I don't think I'm going to go back in on the body. If I was trying to sell her, yes, of course. But since she's going to be a play-doh right in my house, I'm not really worried. Maybe I'll try again in the future. I don't have patience for it right now. So let me know how you liked how she came out, aside from the torso. I think the hair was the best part. It took a couple hours, probably 4. I'm also slow at this because I really like doing it. So it's fine. Let me know if you like thrifting dolls, if you like to rehab them, or how you think she came out. And I'll see you later. Bye.